In a world of photosynthesis and cellular respiration, water was just minding its own business, and then oxygen was taken away, leaving Electra the Electron all by herself. Undeterred, she decided to go on a mission to find her best friend and reunite with oxygen.
Oh my gosh, what am I ever gonna do without oxygen? I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, I have to go out for
Whoa there, are you okay?
No, someone took my best friend. I don't know where he went. I don't know what to do.
Okay, calm down. My sister probably knows where he went.
Really?
She's up there. You can
Really?
go. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh. Hello.
Whoa, what's going on?
Oh my gosh, someone said that you could help me find my best friend. I don't know
My
what to do.
sister sent you?
Yeah, I can show
She's
you.
so lazy. What's going on?
Oh, I don't know where my best friend went. Someone took him. I don't know where to go.
Okay, I think I know where he took him. He probably took him to Mitochondria Town. I know this because it's a repeating process. You need to get on the electron transport train and get off at P700 and go to the roof, which is P700 plus.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, last call for P700.
Wait.
All aboard.
Where are you headed? I don't know. Someone told me to go to P700 plus. It's that way. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hey. Hey. Oh my gosh. Hey. I just got told to come up here. I don't know what to do. I lost my best friend.
Okay, you need to go see my father, Dixon.
Okay.
He's that way.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Arriving at Father Dixon's, Electra asked Father Dixon where she should go next on her journey.
My friend P700 sent me here to you. Are you Father Dixon?
I am Father Dixon.
Oh, do you know where to go?
You go to NADP plus duct tape.
Here, take this. It's gonna help you on your journey.
After arriving at NADP plus duct tape, Electra was given NADPH to help her on her journey.
Thank you, but wait! You have to go to Calvin's house for further instructions. Go, now.
Calvin! Okay, let's go!
From here, Electra headed towards Calvin's house.
Hey, I'm Calvin Cycle. Welcome to my home. Thank you. I got to you about NADP plus duct tape. Do you know where I can go next so I can find my friend? Yeah, you can go out the back of my house and escape. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Bye.
Before Electra enters Mitochondria Town, let's review photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which light energy is transformed into chemical energy. This process produces glucose and oxygen and takes in carbon dioxide. This process occurs in plants, specifically in the chloroplast.
Hello, can I get in, please? Yes. Thank you so much.
Little did Electra know that at this point in her journey to find oxygen, she was about to reach the hardest part of her journey yet, a 10-step process known as glycolysis. Electra decided that a 10-step process known as glycolysis was no match for her.
Class. That is your next step.
Okay.
Go.
Hi, welcome to the carb cycling class. You need to be here to build your energy. Okay. Okay, bye.
Oxidated flower shop. We have flowers for sale for 0.25 cents.
Can I have one, please? Thank you.
Yeah, here's a bundle.
Okay, here you go.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
After completing oxidative phosphorylation, Electra found exactly what she'd been looking for.
That oxygen?
While Electra is celebrating her reunion with oxygen, let's discuss cellular respiration. Cellular respiration occurs in the mitochondria and is the process in which living things transform oxygen and glucose into carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis reduces carbon dioxide into sugar and oxidizes water, and cellular respiration oxidizes sugar to get water and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis has a negative delta G, while cellular respiration has a positive delta G.
Miss Electra, Mr. Oxygen, one question. Why?
Well, we got separated by an evil man in the beginning. So I had to try to find him. So I went through photosynthesis, which is an anabolic reaction, which only happens in plants. And then I also had to go through cellular respiration to find him, which is a catabolic reaction, which happens in all cells. So it was pretty rough, but I think we got through it good.
Yeah, you did amazing.
I also learned that in cellular respiration and photosynthesis, all the processes make, create, synthesize, use, and produce ATP.
In conclusion, while both photosynthesis and cellular respiration are important processes that work concurrently, photosynthesis is the more important process of the two. Photosynthesis is the process that provides the fuel for life on Earth. Photosynthetic organisms were the first organisms to appear on Earth, and photosynthesis represents the first step in the energy transformation cycle.
And then Shelby just comes in.
You took him. He probably went to mitochondria town. You need to go to the electron transport train and then get off at building P700. What?
Oh, wait, what? Are you starting?
Okay, last call for P700. Wait. Okay, all aboard. No, I'm still.
You just like push the button. act. Hi, I'm Calvin. Welcome to my home. Thank you. I got something about NADP plus with duct tape. Where should I go?
What do you do?
Just getting the sign.
Okay.
Miss Electro, Miss Oxygen, one question. Why?
Why not?
Well, we Did you say Miss?
I'm ready, they said.
Photosynthesis. I learned on my adventures well that both photosynthesis and I also learned that in photosynthesis and in cellular respiration, all of their processes make, synthesize, use, produce, create ATP.